Yo, what's up guys? Lil Stocks Bro here, giving you an update on my account as I do every Monday through Friday, showing you how much I'm up, how much I'm down, what I bought, what I sold. Also, you guys can take a peek behind the curtains and see what it's like day to day to trade an options account in the 5 figures. If you guys rock with that, please drop a like on this video. If we can get this video to 2 likes, my soul will be fulfilled. But without further ado, let's get straight to the account. Boom, there you have it, motherfuckers. I knew we were gonna have a green day eventually. It was looking like for a second that I was gonna start my YouTube channel on this account and my account was just gonna all the way to zero, but when you make the right moves, the money follows. So we're at $17,000 today, up $1,489, but today was a crazy day. And also, by the way, I would typically show my account through my Robinhood app, but now I'm trying the desktop version, see if that works out better. So we started the day at $15,500. Literally half hour later, we were up $1,600, and then at 2 o'clock we were down $1,100, down to $14,400. But the final trading hour today was bliss, pure bliss. The stock market just went straight up, and we gained about $3,000, almost $3,000 in 1 hour. That is insane. From $14,400 to $17,000 in just 1 hour. That's crazy. But when you do options like this, you got to be prepared for that type of stuff. Now, I should mention, and this is important, guys. Let me actually be serious for a second. I should mention, when you're in the stock market, don't focus too much on the value of your account. That's not the point. The point of investing in the stock market is to buy assets that will give you a return in the future, okay? What I focus on is not so much this number over here. It's about these over here. You see all these options, all these contracts? As long as these are good contracts that I am comfortable with and that I believe will give me money in the future, I could care less what my account is, okay? Whether it's 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, that's not the point. You buy the right securities, you buy the right assets, and the money will follow. All right, so let's jump into the 3 stocks that I own. It was 4, now it's 3, and let's start with AMD. So AMD today up 1.56%. $1.19, but it was as low as $75 at one point. That was the lowest point, I think, in the market for most stocks. This was when Baba was down at around $220, which is crazy. I mean, Baba below 2. We'll get to Baba in a second, but my position on AMD, I have 2 contracts for a value of $1,630. Today I got back $170, about 11%, for a total return of negative $240. Okay, moving right along. Next up, we have XPeng. XPeng actually finished in red today, unfortunately. Down 1.2%. to $32.20. When it comes to my position on XPeng, I have 14 contracts for a total value of $5,882. Today's return was only $64. Now, I do want to mention something really quickly for those of you who are at all interested in how options work. If we take a look, XPeng is down 1.2% today. I have 14 options contract, and those contracts are down less than what XPeng is down. That never happens, typically never happens. If the underlying stock is down 1%, typically you're going to be down 3+% on your contracts. The reason I believe that I'm down so little today is because of how volatile the day was. So one of the things that affects the options pricing is volatility. So if the stock becomes really volatile, the pricing of the contracts bump up, and it kind of outweighs the negative price action on the stock that day. So I wouldn't be surprised if come Monday we have a slight green day for XPeng. My contracts will still be negative if there's not a lot of volatility, because it will lose that volatility on the contract. So that's that, just in case you were wondering. Moving right along to number 3, of course, Alibaba, the Babanator. All right, let's take a look. Baba up 2% today. It was a really nice day for Baba, plus $4. Bounced off of 220 twice. First at the beginning of the day pre-market. Look at this, guys. Rocket ship. Rocket ship straight up. This is exactly why I said Baba under $230. It's easy money, free money, express, okay? Not only is it free, it's money express. If you would have bought in here at 220 pre-market, you would have ridden that all the way up, literally 10 minutes. Take a look. 925, 940, 15 minutes, okay? In 15 minutes or 10 minutes of the market open, Alibaba went up $8. Like, are you kidding me? All right, and of course it did sell off throughout the day, but it bounced right back up, went right down to 220 again, right back up 226. So beautiful day for Baba. I have 6 contracts for a total value of $9,469. Today's return was $1,388 for a total return of negative $1,406. I'm still in the red for Baba, but trust me, that will not last long. If Baba can go right back up to just $230, I'm pretty sure I'll be break even on all my positions. But that is nowhere near where I'm going to start selling. I'll probably sell my first contract of Baba, which would be the worst one, the one in June over here. Yeah, the $235 June call. This one will probably be one I'll get rid of if Baba can go to around 234.50, 235, somewhere around there. I'll probably sell that contract off and wait for a pullback to buy in a better one. So with that being the case, let's just jump straight to the spreadsheet and see what it is that I did today exactly. Okay, guys, I made 2 moves today, and let's just start right at the top. I did sell again for a loss today, Palantir. Okay, I had to, all right? I had to. I had no other option, all right? I saw Alibaba at $222, and I needed the money, and there you go. That's what I had to do. I had to sell Palantir, the $20, this one right here, the second one right here. The $20 strike I sold for a $110 loss over here. Hertz total, I'm down 300 since I started buying all these positions. But in return, look at what I got. Look at this beauty, guys. Look at this beauty. Baba, $225 strike price. What that means is if by July, the expiration date right here, expiration July, if Baba is at $225 or less, that is when my contract is worth 0. Above that, it'll have some value. But I don't really care about the strike price, okay? It doesn't matter. What's important is the break even right here, $241.50. What that means is by July, if Alibaba's at $241.50, at least I'll break even on my money, okay? And that's what I want to look at. My goal is to not lose money in the stock market. Of course, I want to make money, but most important, I want to not lose money. And so the break even is what tells me, hey, what price does Alibaba has to be by the expiration date for you to not lose money? That's what I want to know. And that price is $241.50. Guys, Alibaba was at $241.50 literally like last week, 1 week ago. Come on, I have until July 16th for it to hit that again. This contract is free money. I'm telling you right now. I'm never too confident in the stock market, but this one I just have a very good feeling. Unless the Chinese government comes out and like sends a rocket missile to like Alibaba's headquarters, you know, this contract is going to give me money. So I paid $1,650 for it. Now, what I want you guys to know, look, let's check this out. Let's compare these. Check this one out. Number 8, Baba number 8, strike price, $235. The break even, the minimum price at which Alibaba has to be by June for this one ends in June, so I have a month less, is $251. That's the break even price. I paid $1,600 for that one, all right? For this new one, the break-even price is literally $10 less. I have 1 month more for about the same price. That is awesome. Now, that could either mean that this one's a really good contract or that this one's a really bad contract. I'm thinking that this one, number 8, it's not a bad contract, especially at the time that I bought it. You know, right now the market is struggling. Well, at least the tech sector is struggling. If you actually take a look at the Dow is just having a field day. But the tech sector is definitely struggling, and Alibaba, with all the bad news coming out for it, is also struggling. But once that subsides and Alibaba can blast back up, these contracts that look a little shaky now will again start to look really nice, and they will give me a return on my money. I can assure you that. So we'll just have to wait and see how that plays out. The weekend is up next, and I hate the weekends. I'm addicted to the stock market, and when there's no stock market, my life is just basically on pause. But not really. I work on the weekends. I make money on the weekends. I have two jobs, and I work the second job on the weekends because, I gotta make as much money as I can so I can invest as much as I can. You can't be wasting time. We're young. Life is too short. Gotta make that money. Gotta invest that money and double it up and triple it up. Okay. So that's all for this video. I really don't want these videos to be any longer than 10 minutes. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. I will still try and make a video tomorrow. I'm gonna actually make an interesting video about whether the stock market is a casino and if trading is gambling. So if you are interested in that, pay attention to my channel, and it should be out tomorrow. So that's it for this one, guys. I will catch you later. Peace.